I see a lack of process, a lack of documentation, people not knowing where to start, and kind of just running and gunning every single time they're at an appointment. Confidence. Every time I go to an appointment, I don't get these butterflies or, what's the engineer going to say or do, or I have the confidence. I have a process. I have the information, the right information, and I'm disciplined to it. And that sets me apart. Not only am I able to communicate at a very high level with the policyholder, whether it be a property management firm or the actual policyholder of a multi-million-dollar property loss, I can close that too easy. I've got way more information, way more confidence and conviction behind it than anyone else. That aha moment came when I went through my process, and I could see the body language of this engineer changing, like, oh crap, this is different. And being able to offer and deliver that information, those questions, just the communication structure, I started seeing it really opened up and changed the game, and we built a really great relationship. Took me out to dinner later that evening. It was really cool. So yeah, that was my aha moment. I think that's pretty easy. Do you want the results that I experience, that my clients experience? And I know the answer to that. It's yes. Then do what I did. Yeah, everyone over at BEI are truly really good people and have a real mission. This isn't just their job. They really care about what they're providing, the value that they're putting out there. I appreciate them sharing this knowledge. It's not just a business. It is a mission. It is a movement of making good quality, very intentional education available, and it's affordable. And it just keeps getting better, and their partnerships keep getting better, making them stronger. So I just thank you, and I hope more people get to experience that.